Homes buried, bridges submerged, roads collapsed, hundreds missing, and the death toll rising by the minute. Massive landslides have struck the hilly Wayanad district of Kerala. The scale of the disaster yet to be calculated, as many are still fear trapped.
Situation as on now, what we last received was that the rain was still going on, though it has diminished a bit, it has lessened a bit, and but there is a challenge that local bridge has been broken, and because of that we are having trouble in rescuing the people.
Landslides triggered by incessant rains have left the picturesque hamlets of Mundakai, Churalmala, Attamala and Nulpura in ruins. The Army, Air Force, NDRF, Fire Department, disaster management teams, police, locals and even dog squads are working tirelessly to rescue those trapped in what is being called the deadliest landslide in Kerala's history. Soldiers are using ropes to cross the swollen river to rescue those stranded. However, continuous rain and tough terrain are severely hampering operations. Additionally, the lack of internet connectivity is making coordination difficult.
നമ്മുടെ നാട് ഇതുവരെ കണ്ടതിൽ അതീവ ദാരുണമായ പ്രകൃതി ദുരന്തങ്ങളിലൊന്നാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ സംഭവിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. ദുരന്തം തകർത്തെറിഞ്ഞ പ്രദേശങ്ങളിൽ രക്ഷാപ്രവർത്തനം ആകാവുന്ന എല്ലാ രീതിയിലും തുടരുകയാണ്.
It's a huge disaster. It's a massive tragedy. The government has immediately swung into action. Honorable Chief Minister has sent a team of 5 ministers immediately to Wayanad.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Minister Amit Shah have spoken to Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, assuring all possible assistance to the LDF government. MOS George Kurian is in Wayanad to oversee relief and rescue operations.
आज सुबह एक प्राकृतिक हादसा के कारण वायनाड में बड़ी क्षति पहुंची है. केंद्र सरकार पूरी तरीके से केरल के लोगों के साथ है, वायनाड के लोगों के साथ है, सरकार के साथ है.
The government has already extended the support by way of the support of the NDRF and the armed forces, as well as the Prime Minister has announced an ex gratia of around 2 lakh rupees for the families of those who have lost their lives.
A special control room has been set up by the district administration at the police headquarters in Thiruvananthapuram. Temporary medical care facilities and shelter camps have been established in different parts of Wayanad. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has also dispatched teams from his state to aid in rescue.
What you see behind me is the kind of situation right now, dismal situation as well as chaos all around with respect to the rescue efforts that are on. Both the NDRF teams as well as the defense teams are working in sync to try and see if they could find more survivors there trapped in that landslide. Most of them who have witnessed the landslides have been recounting the horror, talking about how they saw in front of their eyes several houses and lives being washed away. And that is definitely not pleasant.
With Pratibha Raman, this is Radhika Ramaswamy for NDTV.